Unlocking laughter. Understanding gut-busting laughter. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a vivid and expressive phrase that's sure to add some flair to your conversations. Gut-busting laughter. Stick around as we explore what it means, when to use it, and how it can enrich your English speaking and comprehension skills. Gut-busting laughter refers to laughter that is so intense and uncontrollable that it feels like your stomach, or gut, could burst from the force of it. It's the kind of laughter that comes from deep within and is often a response to something incredibly funny or hilarious. This phrase vividly captures the physical experience of laughing very hard, highlighting the intensity and the uncontrollable nature of such laughter. To fully appreciate gut-busting laughter, let's break down the phrase. Gut is a colloquial term for the stomach or belly. It's often used in informal contexts. Busting is a slang term that means breaking or bursting. When combined with gut, it exaggerates the effect of laughing so hard that it feels like your stomach might burst. This expression is a great example of how English speakers love to use hyperbole, or exaggerated statements, to describe emotions or reactions in a vivid way. Gut-busting laughter is perfect for informal settings among friends, in comedic writing, or when sharing personal stories that involve humor. Use it to describe a moment of intense joy and amusement, such as watching a comedy show that had you laughing uncontrollably, telling a story about a hilarious incident that caused everyone to burst into laughter. It's a phrase that adds color and emotion to your stories, helping your listeners or readers to visualize the intensity of the moment. To give you a clearer picture, here are a few examples. The comedian's joke was so funny, it sent the audience into gut-busting laughter. I had a moment of gut-busting laughter when I saw my dog trying to walk in new shoes. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe situations where laughter is overwhelming and joyfully intense. That's all for today's exploration of the phrase, gut-busting laughter. We hope this video not only made you smile but also enriched your understanding and usage of this expressive English phrase. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing rules, it's about embracing the beauty and variety of expression. Keep practicing, keep laughing, and until next time, happy learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos on English language learning. See you in the next video.